Hey guys, Scott here. I've been in martial arts the last 39 years and I've used a lot of CENTURY products. Today I want to do a quick review of the CENTURY Wavemaster. This is actually the 2XL Pro and it's great for school owners in the gym, but it's also great for home. So let's jump into a quick review. Okay, let's start at the base, then we'll work our way up, and I'm also going to show you how to put this together as well. And starting at the base here, pretty simple. Add your water in there. I have it indoors, so I use water. If you have it outside, I know a lot of people will use sand as well. And once again, the directions tell you how to fill it. Pretty easy as far as that's concerned. As far as the top is concerned, the double XL, it's pretty tall, almost 6 feet tall. And the thing that I really like about it is the fact that you can hit it over and over. And this foam is very resilient, right? So it's not denting like other models of kicking bags. So that's really important. What I want to do also now is show you how this thing is put together so you can see exactly how that works. And the reason this is so nice is I can slide the base into the corner and literally just take the bag right off. Let me show you how that's done. So basically this just spins to tighten on to use, or you simply spin it off here and the base will pop right out. So that is the actual bottom, the base. And I'm gonna set this aside for just a moment. And this thing is heavy, at least a couple 100 pounds, so be careful. It's really easy to move with the bag in it, not so easy once you take the top off. Now, as far as this is concerned here, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna lift it back so you can see. Now, a couple things when you're putting this together. Make sure this bottom ring you'll see has flanges or edges right in here. You want to make sure those are facing up so they catch these grooves here. If you have it backwards, your bag will never tighten down. So if you're having that issue, that's why. So you simply put that in there, set it on the ground, and then this just sets right over the top of it, right there. And then it's literally that easy to install. And then I just wind it on here until it's tight and your bag is ready to go. I've had this one for a number of years and it's still in excellent condition and it gets a lot of heavy use. It doesn't tip over easy on what they call the shuffle in or step in side kick. If you have pretty good power, you can probably tip it over. But I will tell you, especially from boxing and knees and elbows, this thing works great. I am really happy with the Wavemaster 2XL Pro. It works really well.